Go, go, dragon boat.
快来，快来，赛龙舟了。
It's a hot summer day. 今天天气很热。Hooray! Oh yeah! Dragon Boat Festival is here! 端午节到了。
奶奶做了粽子。Grandma makes rice dumplings.
Let me take a bite. 我咬一口。
Wow, a surprise inside. 哇，原来有小惊喜在里面呀。
Let's balance the egg. 我们把鸡蛋立起来吧。Did it. 我做到了。
Let's make sachets. 我们做香包吧。
They smell good. 它们真好闻。What's the noisy by the river? 河那边有什么声音
？I hear gongs and drums. 我听着锣鼓声了。
Let's go see. 咱们快去看看吧。Oh no! 哦，不对。I see dragons in the water. 我看见河里有龙。They are dragon boats. 哪些是龙舟
People row as fast as they can. 人们在用力划龙舟。
Go, go, go! 快快快 Hooray! He got the flag! 加油！他拿到旗子了。His team won the race. 他们队赢了比赛。
I like Dragon Boat Festival. 我喜欢端午节。
It is fun. 端午节太好玩了。Dragon boat. Rice dumplings. Donkey eggs. Sachets. Rivers. Gongs. Drums. Oh. Flag. 龙舟。粽子。立鸡蛋。香